My keyboard is disgusting. Oh, I mean, it's just a bit old. So yeah, some of the keycaps are a bit shiny and sticky and oily, and I like that. So we're fixing it today by buying a new set of keycaps. So for those of you who don't know, keycaps are basically the top of the keys, and you can basically just pull them out for most keyboards. So you can really just just swap them. So you can switch the colors, the materials, and you can make it custom and all that good stuff. It's basically a really cheap and good way to make your keyboard feel new again. So yeah, let me add that to my cart. And then check out. And so yeah, I just ordered it, followed to keep up, and see ya.